Okay, what's up, guys? We're back with another video. But guys, I know, I haven't asked for subscribers yet, and I'm not gonna do it. I don't ask for subscribers, but guys, I'm trying to reach 50 subscribers so I can go live. And I'm trying to buy squishies, but this is my only squishy. It's only a piece of a butter. And guys, it's a slow rise. Any trades, even though it's just a normal stupid little dumpling, I don't care. It's still a squishy, and I can trade that squishy for something better than continue. But this is my only squishy. Comment if it allows to comment. Just comment what you guys are willing to trade. I don't care. It can be just a bigger piece, like this big, of this butter squishy, and I don't care. I'm still willing to trade.